Hi, I'm Ian. I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program, and in this video I'll explain how to record a track or journey in the Hema Nav navigation software. You start by opening the Hema Nav software. Just touch the icon on the home screen on your device. Once the Hema Nav is open, tap the screen once to bring up the menus. Now it's simply a case of tapping on the record button to start recording your journey, or lay a breadcrumb trail as some would call it. A coloured line will become visible to show where you have been, and you will be able to see on your screen the duration of the journey and the distance travelled so far. Once you've recorded your journey, tap the screen once and you'll have the option to either cancel or save your recording. If you save your recording, you'll now be able to find the track recording by tapping on the tracks icon on your screen. As I'm bringing this video to you from a studio, it's not possible to record a track and show you visibly. However, I can show you a previously recorded track from my tracks listing as an example. And there we have it. So now you can record a track on the Hema Nav software. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to check out the online Hema University for more detailed knowledge on Hema's Hema Nav navigation software. Thanks for watching.